And now the advanced group will also use the sliding doors and the curl in quite different ways, but very beautiful and still simple. And with our teaching count, let's concentrate this time on the balance of the body line, because the overturns is so important to have your body over your feet all the time, as Shirley has just reminded me. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and a 2, 3, and 4, 1, and a 2, 3 and 4, 1 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 and a 2, and 3 and 4, 1. A detailed look at this group, and let's concentrate on how to shape through feet and legs to achieve the speed necessary for the various movements. So 1 bar at a time, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1 into the quick swivels, and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we turn through the 1 count into the sliding doors, and 2, 3, 4, 1. See the change of shape on the sliding doors as we dance the second one, and 2, 3, 4, 1. And into the third part, coming into the curl. 2, 3, and 4. We continue the curl high on the toes of the counts of 1, 2, 3, and the lady runs away, and 4, 1. From here we continue in this shaping, and 2, 3, and 4, 1. And now the lady spins across the front of the man, and 2 and 3 and 4, 1.